What's up guys, welcome back to another video. I'm tired, but nonetheless we still have to keep these videos pumping. So basically what I have for you guys today is we're installing the Megan Racing high quality aluminum Tutu Katsu do Monde strut bar that's gonna go in my engine, and it's just basically just to give a bit more rigidity, and well, it looks really nice. So we're gonna do a quick unboxing and you guys will get an idea more or less of what we're gonna do. It's gonna be super simple install and shouldn't take much time either. Anyways, this is the box. I got it. It was about 130 bucks Canadian, so I don't know, 100 bucks American. That sounds amazing. Alright, so this is the whole packaging. It comes nicely bubble wrapped, and I like this model, the newer ones. They have it like bolted. Yeah, I'm gonna show you later. Alright, so we got some cool little stickers here. I have no idea what this is. Oh, it is like a certificate that it's made in the USA. Okay, good for you. Oh wow, it's really nice. Alright, so this is what I was talking about, it being new. It used to be just like a sticker. Now it's actually like, I don't know what this is called, but like it's like pinned in there, and it's really nice. This exact one is the race spec strut tower, and it's for basically all the 3 series, all the non-M models. So it has chrome aluminum on the top, and it has like a nice dark gray, almost nardo gray, space pearly look for the sides that are gonna bolt up to the struts in the car. Okay, so literally everything I'm gonna need for this install is well, I have this power drill, so I'm gonna be using it. I need a 1/2 inch drill bit for the 3 screws for the strut bar. I need this E14 for this right here on both sides, and all that I'm gonna be using with this just this ratchet just to break it. Alright, so I'm gonna start off with my E14. Are you serious? Can I get it? Alright, change of plans. We're gonna be using this because I cannot get those things down there. We're finally done this side. Kinda took a while. Maybe like 10 minutes or so. Now we're gonna do that side. Now that that's all taken care of, the next thing we gotta do is just literally bolt it on. Kinda excited how this is gonna turn out. Assistant, are you tired? Are you asleep? You fell asleep on the floor? Mary, it's 5:30.
Seconds later.
Alright, so everything is tightened. I didn't torque at the spec. I don't even know what the spec is. Roast me all you want. I did that side as well. Oh my god, it's dusty. Last thing to do is remove all this. Obviously I have to get a smear in it, damn it. And that's the install. Super easy. Ignore the dust in my car, I'm sorry. But yeah, that looks really cool. It adds some bling bling to the engine. That beautiful Megan Racing. I love how they did this one. I really did. I really do. Peep my cob charge pipe right there. My oil catch can there. Yep, things are starting to look up on this engine bay. I just really need a detail though. So that's the end of that video. I know it was a shorter one, but that's all she wrote. That's all I had time for today. It was a super quick install, but it was an important one that you guys should do anyways, particularly just for like to stiffen up the suspension in the front, because it does sway a lot. So I want to end the video off here, guys. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, drop a like. If you have a question, comments, or concerns, drop it down in the comment section down below, or you can even contact me right here at dgens19 on Instagram. But yeah, be sure to follow my build, because I want to hit 400 horsepower by the end of the summer. I'm working with some companies, that's why things are taking a bit long. If you've been following the channel and already have subscribed, I'm waiting after a company for my downpipes. I'm waiting after someone else for my charge pipe. But yeah, and then I'm gonna do everything. I'm gonna tune it with MHD and go straight to stage 2. Because yeah, we're gonna do that all in one shot. I'm also gonna detail the car very soon. Very soon. When I have a chance, I need 2 days off. Anyways, I'm gonna leave it off here, guys. Again. Remember to drive what drives you, and I'll be catching you guys in the next video. Peace.
Feel me? I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.